Hey, hey, listen, come with me. I'm going to purify my souls in the lake of Minnetonka. You know what? Hey, come with me. I'm going to purify your soul in the waters of a Flint River. Hey, come with me. Hey, come with me. Purify your souls in the waters of the Flint River. Come with me as I take a bath and a dip. This is something exclusive. You've never seen this shit before. This is legendary footage. I used to be an angel, and then I fell down, and I came here to save everybody. And nobody would listen to me. They all told me I was crazy. They all told me I was on bath salt. And then I started making music. They gave me a voice box, and I started talking for the first time. And then I had to prove to everyone that I wasn't a human, because everyone thought I was a human. And then I came out, and I was an alien, and I was half alien and half human. A monster came out of the sea, and he attacked me, and he said, "Duncan Snoot, where are your powers now?" And I told him, "Hush, don't tell anyone. It's me. My identity must be sealed." And so now I'm coming here 400 years later, and people are looking for me. The FBI, the DEA, the CIA, they're all looking for me. Duncan Snoot, here I am. I'm in the flesh. You see me. I'm shining. I told you I was going to come back, just like Jesus. They told me that I was going to be persecuted, and I kept on fighting. They kept hating on me, but I kept getting stronger. And my fans, they love me, and I love them too. And you see me, I'm shining. I told you I'm so shiny. You see my hair, it glistens. It's made out of diamonds. And every time I piss diamonds and excellence. I piss gold. I piss silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. I'd rather love Duncan Snoot than have silver and gold. I'm shining. You see me? I'm crystal clear. This ain't no plexiglass. You know who I am. Marlon, look at that shit. I'm the king. I'm the king of everything. The $1 Million Baby. Gag, goo, goo. All that shit. I'm the king of all this shit. You hear me? Can you hear me? I'm the king. When I make it happen, I'm gonna be a king. I ain't gonna be playing around, huh? I ain't gonna be messing around no more. And tell them hoes, I don't want them. I wanna be an angel. I wanna play like an angel.